Welcome to the project demonstration of human safety system. So we are going to provide the safety system for a woman by using these two sensors. One is MX30100 and this is the vibration sensor. So these two are getting the these two sensors getting any abnormalities, then the system will send the SMS to the predefined store numbers by with the help of GSM modem and a GPS. Here we'll get the location from this GPS and the GSM will send the SMS, and this spy camera we are using to record the video, and we'll send that recorded video to the predefined email ID by using the internet. So before switching on this kit, actually we need to enable a hotspot. So there are the hotspot details, project 4396 and a password 129, enable hotspot and data. So now we are enabling that in a phone, and from here we are going to enable the hotspot with a project 4396 and the password should be 123456789, and after that we need to enable the internet data also, like one device is connected. And now then we need to switch on the kit, and before this also we need to insert a valid SIM card into this GSM modem, so it should have the SMS balance and it should be other than the Geo. Okay, and from here when I place a finger to get the live data, just press this switch, so we will get the live parameters and it will be plotted on the LCD. If the heart rate is above 100 beats per minute, then the system will send automatically messages. Once the abnormal condition is triggered, the sending SMS and recording video will be continuously going on, so that we can keep on tracking the person, as well as the recorded video will be mailed, as we said that. So it's going to be around of 10 to 15 seconds of the duration. So based on the network speed, it will take some time to send the mails and all, and we should place the finger properly, then only we will get the readings. And as we can see that the latitude longitude values will be displayed on the LCD. So as we are demonstrating this project under the sky view, because to get the latitude longitude values, the GPS should have the sky view, so that it will get the present location with help of satellites. So once we can see that there will be a slightly stabilizing of our heartbeat sensor, so we should mount the sensor finger properly on that, and if that heart rate is above 100 beats per minute, then the system will automatically send the mails and the messages. So here we are using the real-time heart rate sensor. So just I am trying to malfunctioning that, but though it's not working, like it's giving the proper readings, so we are unable to give the malfunctioning to this sensor as it's a real-time sensor one. And coming to the interfacings, so meanwhile I'll explain you the interfacing connections by placing another finger. So like coming to this MX30100 sensor interface to the Atmega microcontroller, and from there we are going to convert this data into the serial, and the serial data will be given to the Raspberry Pi. And next, vibration sensor is putting the digital output directly interface at this one. And coming to the GSM is interface at the hardware UART pins, and Atmega also interface at hardware UART pins. And whenever the sensor is keep on reading that, so like we'll give the another input from this vibration sensor. So if is there any vibration sensor, give the reading one, so fall detection kind of, then alert. As you can see that the camera is start reading, so as I'm giving some input to that camera video feeding, and this data will be recorded and will be mailed to the stored email ID, and this process will be keep on sending that. So you can see the sending mail, and after the mail sent, it shows the sent mail, right? So now just to stop this process, we need to shut down the system or restart the system. So we can see that the received messages here are like, so directly we can open that in a Google Maps so that we'll know the location of the person exactly. As well as I stored the 3 numbers, so this number stored in 2 times, so that's why we'll get the message alerts in this, right? 2 messages, as we can see that our exact location, right? So here we are, this is the location. And coming to the mail, so we need to open the email. Based on the network speed of both devices, the email ID will get the video. Right, so now we got the mail. So this is the previous mail and this is the present. So in the mail also you can see the link as well as the video file, so you can download that. So in order to see this H24, we need the MX player in our phone so that we can see the video which is live recorded from this system. So as we said that the total connections and flow is, so MAX 30100 heartbeat sensor and a vibration sensor. In the MAX 30100 interface to the Atmega controller, from here we are going to convert into the serial and it will provide it to the Raspberry Pi. And this is the breadboard connection. Breadboard kind of presentation we are going to use. The purpose of this PCB is to distribute the 5 volts power supply from one Raspberry Pi to these different modules, because in a Raspberry Pi we have only one slot for the power supply, and from there we are going to give the 5 volts power supply to this board at this point, and throughout the board we'll get the 5 volts, so that we can distribute that to the GSM and controller board and a vibration sensor and MAX sensor and a LCD board. And we have the, as I said, we have only one hardware UART, so for that we can interface only these 2, because the GSM need transmitting pin and this controller can need a receiving pin. So that's why we are using a USB to DTL converter, and it was interfaced to the GPS module. So for to get the exact locations, we need to demonstrate this project under Skyview only, so that we'll get the exact electrical values from the system that can be monitored on the LCD screen. Thank you.